Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see how do we convert direct speech to indirect speech. Here we have Harry said I'm doing homework. Harry said. Harry said is the reporting verb. You have to remember this. Harry said is the reporting verb and we'll write it as it is. Harry said. All right. The comma and inverted comma will change into that. So we'll write that here. Okay. Then the reported speech. I am doing homework. This is the reported speech. Reported speech. And this reported speech is in present continuous tense. I am doing homework. This is present continuous tense. So that will change into past continuous tense. This will change into past continuous tense. Present tense change into past continuous tense. Okay. So I is Harry. Harry is he. Harry is he. So we will write he here. As I said, present continuous change into past continuous. So aim change into was. He was doing homework. He was doing homework. So the sentence is Harry said that he was doing homework. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and do this and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel at Faika Ibrahim. Subscribe